Chapter 3. Our India, Features and Climate. We will learn Features of India, Climate of India. Features. India possesses all types of features: mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts and oceans. All these make into a beautiful country. All along the north of India are situated the Himalayas. The Himalayas form the largest and highest mountain chain in the world. There are very high mountain peaks in the Himalayas. Knowledge window. The highest mountain peak of the Himalayas is Mount Everest in Nepal. The highest mountain peak in India is K2 Mountain Godwin in Kashmir. The higher reaches of the Himalayas remain covered with ice throughout the year. The ice keeps melting and forms rivers. Some great rivers originate in the Himalayas, some of which are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus, Satluj, etc. There are many hill stations in the lower reaches of the Himalayas, some of which are Shimla, Darjeeling, Nainital, Mussoorie, etc. In addition to the Himalayas, there are more hills in India. 1. The Aravalli Hills in northwestern India. 2. The Satpura and Vindhyas in central India. 3. The Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hills in northeastern India. 4. The Nilgiri Hills in southern India. To the south of the Himalayas lie the great northern plains. The rivers originating in the Himalayas flow through the plains and have made them green and fertile. The northern plains are also called the Indo-Gangetic Plains. In the southern India, we can see a cone-shaped area. It is surrounded by the seas on three sides: the Arabian Sea in the east, the Bay of Bengal in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The southernmost point of the Indian mainland is Kanyakumari. Knowledge window. A land covered by sea on three sides is called a peninsula. A large part of southern India is plateau. A plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than the plains. This is called Deccan Plateau. This plateau is surrounded by hills and narrow coastal plains. It is rocky and is rich in minerals. The chief rivers in southern India are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapi. These rivers mostly carry rainwater. There is a large desert in the northwestern part of India. A desert is an area where there is little or no rain. The name of this desert is the Indian desert or Thar desert. It rains little and remains dry and hot. It is mostly covered with sand. There are many islands in the sea away from the mainland. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. Climate. India has different types of land features, so it has a variety of climate. The hilly areas in northern India remain cold almost throughout the year. The plains in northern India are cold during winters and hot during summers. The coastal plains are neither very hot nor very cold. The desert area receives little or no rain and remains hot and dry throughout the year. It rains much in the northeastern regions and western coastal plains. India is said to have a monsoon type of climate. New terms. Plains, a large area of even land. Plateau, a flat rocky land higher than the surrounding plains. Desert, a large area with little or no rain. Coastal, an area near the sea. Points to remember. The Himalayas stand proudly all along northern India. The northern plains are green and fertile, due to the rivers originating from the Himalayas. Most part of the peninsula in southern India is a plateau. The desert area in northwestern India remains hot and dry throughout the year. Like its features, India experiences a variety of climate in different regions.